guys, today I'm sharing some of the amazing new items you can choose for your fall box. This is all about customization too. Make sure you stick around until the end because I have a code to help you save some money on your box. You may also see an Easter egg from a customization that hasn't been revealed yet, so comment down below if you notice it. Also, make sure you're subscribed to our channel and like this video if you want to see more spoilers. It helps us out a lot. Okay, let's get started. Here we have the Fenty Beauty Eaze Drop Lit All Over Glow Enhancers. This is a liquid highlighter and we have 4 choices. It helps hydrate, brighten, and reduce the appearance of pores. It's super lightweight and it has a sheer formula. What you do is you mix a pea-size amount into your foundation or use it as a tinted moisturizer. You can also wear it alone for a flattering finish. This one is the Pink Pearl. It basically has a really light finish, something you can catch in the light really easily. This one's Taffy Topaz, and I'll layer it onto the other one. This one is a little bit more of a champagne shimmer, and it has a little bit of a deeper tone, but it's just more of a gold shimmery finish. This one's Honey Citrine. It still has that really dewy, glowing effect and it shows up really well. I'd recommend it for also maybe a night out where you're gonna be in the lights and it's just gonna have a really good shimmer. This one is Bronze Jasper, another one I would recommend for deeper skin tones, and it still is super shimmery. It's got this dark gold color and it just blends in really nicely. Let me know which one you would pick in the comments below. These are the Citrine Spice Jars. They're a ceramic set of 2 made of exposed reddish-brown earthenware. I think they're perfect for a housewarming or even a gift this fall season. They'll look great in any kitchen by your stove so you can season your food while you're cooking, and you could even put some condiments in there. The texture and feel of the jars really highlight the beauty of the natural and unglazed red clay. Honestly, I use a lot of salt and red chili flakes, so I think what I'll be putting in these is just some coarse salt, maybe some chili flakes in the other one, because you can see it has this really nice glazed inside and it's just super nice to just pop this off, get your spoon, put it on your food, and voila. Even if cooking isn't really your thing, you can put these honestly anywhere. They can go in your bathroom, in your room. For example, they're super great for little things like cotton balls. You can even put jewelry in there, pop your ring in there, pop your earrings, and honestly, it'll look great anywhere. Alright guys, check out the Timberland Buffalo Plaid Scarf. You might already know them for their iconic boots, but they also have super cute scarves now. And just to talk about the design a little bit, it's a double-faced jacquard design. It's got a satin stitch around the patch. Honestly, it's got such a cozy, warm, and stylish design. I know I'll be wearing it for any of my fall festivities, maybe even Thanksgiving, a pumpkin patch, you name it. Anytime it's cold, I'm just gonna throw this thing on. This is the Alex & Ani Emerald Flex Cuff Bracelet. It has a super flexible bend to it, and it honestly just slips right in, and you can see it here. It's very durable. It's got a shiny gold finish, and it has these 2 super cute emerald crystals on the end. This bracelet stands for luck and prosperity, which I love. The emerald represents hope and spiritual growth, and it's believed to bring good fortune. So I've honestly been wearing this a lot lately. I've been sleeping with it, and it's super comfortable. I don't even notice it's there. I have to remind myself to take it off when I need to, but it's honestly amazing. Here we have the Reebok Smart Jump Rope. It's a 2-in-1 digital jump rope. It features 4 settings, a digital counter to track time, rotations, calorie burn, and a place to add in your current weight. There's a lot of capability in this jump rope. It's got a traditional 9-foot cable if you want a traditional jump rope or a ropeless version. It's got a super comfortable textured grip, so it's really secure when you're using them, and this looks better when I'm standing up, but basically this is kind of the gist of it. I think this is great for all fitness levels, and we heard that you guys have been wanting to see more fitness products in the box, so we went ahead and added this for you guys, so thank me or hate me later. This is the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Acid Serum. It's super cute. I'm gonna do a little box reveal because you guys are gonna love it. Has this really cute box, and inside is an even cuter plum-shaped serum. It has a silky water gel texture, and its scent is a very subtle but sweet scent. It kind of reminds me of a sweet tart, and I'll pump some on my hand. Despite its cute pink bottle, it actually comes out clear, and when putting it on my hand, it's very dewy and just really smooth. I really feel like it is gonna blend nicely. Use it before your moisturizer and dispense 1 to 2 pumps and gently pat onto your face. And it's best used morning and night. We chose this because Plum is the perfect fall fruit. It'll look great on your bathroom counter. I'll definitely be choosing this, and I feel like it's just super light and it smells super good. For a full look at all of the items you can choose this season, make sure you customize your fall box, and that code I promised at the beginning is Fall Close-Up. Let me know what you're gonna pick in the comments below, and I'll see you next season. Bye!